time to aftermath after the fact. How could I not blow? All I do is drop F-bombs. To my wrath of attack, rappers are having a rough time period. Here's a maxi pad, it's actually disastrously bad. For the whack with a masterfully constructed.
Like something's about to happen, but I don't know what. If that means what I think it means, we're in trouble. Big trouble. Enemy is bananas, as you say. I'm not taking any chances.
You long enough to slap. They said I rap like a robot, so call me rap. But for me to rap like a computer must be in my genes. I got a laptop in my back pocket, my pinnacle walk when I hat cock it. Got a fat knock from that rat profit, made a living in a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office, with Monica Lewinsky filling on his sack. I'm an MC, still as honest, but as rude and as indecent as all hell syllables.